Have you ever been called low maintenance? You don't ask for much. You don't complain. You handle things alone, and people admire you for it. But what if I told you this isn't a personality trait? What if being low maintenance is actually a nervous system adaptation, learned slowly, biologically, over time? Stay with me. This isn't about labels. This is about what your brain and body learned to survive. In psychology, traits are stable preferences, but low-maintenance behavior is often not preference, it's regulation. Your body learned how much space it's allowed to take, how much emotion is safe to show, how much help is acceptable to ask for. And once biology learns something, it doesn't forget easily. Part 1. How the brain learns to need less. Let's start with the brain. When your needs are ignored, minimized, or met inconsistently, the brain adapts. The limbic system, especially the amygdala, starts associating needs with risk. Risk of rejection, risk of conflict, risk of being too much. So the brain chooses efficiency. It learns don't ask, don't expect, don't depend. Not consciously, neurologically. This is not personality, this is conditioning. Part 2. The biology of self-silencing. Here's where biology steps in. When expressing needs feels unsafe, stress hormones like cortisol rise. The body enters a quiet survival mode. You may appear calm, independent, emotionally contained, but internally, your nervous system stays alert. You suppress signals, hunger, fatigue, emotion, to maintain connection and stability. That suppression becomes automatic. Your body learns, needing less keeps me safe. Part 3. Why it feels like this is just how I am. Over time, adaptation feels like identity. You stop noticing the effort. You say things like, I don't need much, I'm fine, I can manage. But effortless things don't drain you. Adaptations do. Low-maintenance people often feel tired without knowing why, because the brain is constantly regulating emotions, expectations, reactions. That regulation costs energy. Part 4. Why others benefit from this pattern. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Low-maintenance behavior is rewarded. You're easy to be around. You don't demand space. You don't disrupt others. So the brain receives reinforcement. See, this works. Dopamine reinforces silence. Approval reinforces self-erasure. And slowly, your nervous system learns that being invisible feels safer than being fully expressed. Part 5. What healing actually looks like. Healing doesn't mean becoming demanding. It means recalibrating biology. The parasympathetic nervous system, your safety system, needs new experiences, small ones. Expressing a need and not being punished. Resting without earning it. Letting discomfort exist without suppressing it. Each moment teaches your body it's safe to need. It's safe to take space. Biology updates itself, slowly, gently. If you've been called low maintenance, it doesn't mean you're simple or easy or emotionally minimal. It means your nervous system learned how to survive quietly. And survival patterns can change, not by force, but by safety. You were never too much. You were just adapting. This is MindGame. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel for more psychological videos.